Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for specific places on the Google Earth application so that you can see it on the map, where it is located, see the surrounding area and explore the facilities and the nearby area. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on this search icon at the top of the screen. Now you can type in the particular place or anything that you are interested in and you would like to see it on the map. As you can see, you will be directed to that place on this map, and you can also see it if you scroll down and tap on the results. You can go to the Wikipedia and see data and characteristics of that particular building, monument, city, country, whatever you are interested in. So here you can also open it in your map. You can see the tower models, recommendations, and you can also tap on this button in the middle of the screen so that you can tap on the map and see it, zoom in and discover the area. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.